So I've just arrived at the Royal Armouries in Leeds. This is the Hall of Steel. See the reflection. And then the reality, that is impressive actually, isn't it? That is amazing up there. I mean, that's a good 40-50 metres up. Around the side we've got, let me have a look, yeah, it can basically get bigger. Start small. A couple of weighty iron balls, no worry about people nicking those, that's for sure. Can't see any description, so I don't know what they are.
Yeah, that's not, no, they didn't look like them. That's how they naturally look like. It's so much easier. Yeah, sorry, yeah. It was like that. Yeah. Is that what it is?
Oh, so on the first floor, lots of armour, medieval equipment. Oh, that's a bit dark. I might change the settings, hold on. It's very hard to get it much better. Basically lots of armour. A couple of good displays though, what's that? Doesn't say.
Down there, he's riding Amy, Mr. Andrew Barnfork in the tan, and he's riding Dom. And then bringing up the rear is Abby with her boar spear, which she's going to put to good use in it later.